So I figured I'd come out here to the shop and do a little quick video on this ancient ceiling fan. There's the name, and the only number on it is 220198. Shangyuan Electric Company Limited, made in Taiwan. There's no date on it. All I know is it's old and it doesn't work. It might not work because of my wonderful electrician skills, but I know when you touch it, it zaps you. So chances are this thing will be taken down because I have no use for it. It is a spinner type ceiling fan. See there? I figured I'd just do this quick little video on it because I don't know how much longer it's going to be hanging up here. So yeah, hope you enjoyed.